Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 21 Reg MGHS. 21 Reg MGHS. Diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, rear camera. They're really nice pink, red, metallic. One owner with full service history. Yeah, the vehicle has an opening panoramic roof. Very nice extra. Side airbags, leather seats. Huge storage area there. Electronic adjustable passenger seat. Two USBs down there. And the vehicle has Isofix rear seat. Handy pockets here for storing stuff. Electric rear windows as well. Electronic tailgate. Huge boot area here. This will come out if you wish. Very large boot area. Storage compartments. You would be able to fit a spare wheel in there. That's your inflation kit there. To shut the tailgate, you push this button here. Shuts the tailgate. Another pocket this side. Keyless. 4 electric windows, electric folding mirrors, electric mirrors, lock, unlock. Electronic adjustable driver's seat. To start the vehicle, you put your foot on the brake and you push this button here. That starts the vehicle. Opening panoramic roof. You can have the roof tilted as well if you wish. Illuminated vanity mirrors both sides. The vehicle's done 38,011 miles. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation. This pocket here, 2 USBs here, 12 volt power outlet there, automatic obviously, different drive modes, stop start, open the tailgate, pocket here which has a vent here, down here, so you can have cold or hot air coming in. Except that, as you just sat nav. I'll put the vehicle in reverse. And rear camera and rear parking sensors, you can see there. Go back into park. These buttons here, this is your home button. Push this, goes to this home. Air conditioning. Here. Heated rear window. Basically everything up on the screen to defrost it. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Super sport button. Gives you more power. Voice activation, telephone button. You can change this view in here with these buttons here. Have different menus, wherever you wish really, in here. Power steering, height adjustable steering column as well. To turn the vehicle off, you would push this button here again. Where is it? Sorry, this button here. That turns the vehicle off. This is your blind spot warning here. Lights up when a vehicle's in the blind spot, basically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.